Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Motor Assy-Dc part #EAU65058502. LG Electronics Motor Assy-Dc part #EAU65058502 is a motor assembly for LG washing machines. It is a direct current DC motor that is used to power the washing machine's drum. The motor is responsible for spinning the drum and agitating the clothes during the wash cycle. It also helps to control the water level in the machine by controlling the speed of the drum. The motor assembly includes a stator, rotor, bearings, and other components that are necessary for its operation. This part number is specific to LG washing machines and may not be compatible. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor assembly for LG Electronics washing machines. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged motor assembly and can help to fix issues such as noisy operation, unable to spin or agitate, unable to drain water, unable to fill with water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the cover of the motor assembly to the base. 3. Carefully remove the cover and set aside. 4. Disconnect any wires connected to the motor assembly and remove any mounting hardware securing it in place. 5. Place the new motor assembly into position and secure with mounting hardware if necessary. 6. Reconnect any wires that were disconnected from the old motor assembly to the new one, making sure they are connected properly and securely. 7. Replace the cover of TH. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.